How to fix OBS black screen game capture. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this you will have to open up your OBS studio, and over here right beside the video section you would be able to see this particular eye. Make sure that it is visible. If you set it to disable, you won't be able to see the correct screen of your streaming. And the best option in order to solve this particular problem is to close up your OBS studio. Make sure that you close it up from the hidden icons as well. After that you need to open up the start menu and there search for graphic settings of your device, and after that just simply open up, and there you would be able to find the add an app section. Just below it you would be able to find the option of drop down menu. Simply select desktop app. If desktop app is not available there, simply select classic app. After that click on the option of browse. Now you need to open up the OBS installation folder, and for that it will be located in the C drive of yours. There open up program files, then go to OBS studio. After that open up bin folder, then there you would be able to find 64-bit. Simply open up. There you would be able to find the option of OBS 64. Open it up, then select the option of add, and there you would be able to find the option of options under the OBS. Simply select options button under OBS, then select the option of power saving mode or high performance. First try to use the power saving mode for the graphics. It will be using your GPU, and save the settings, and after that try to use the OBS studio and your problem should be solved. In case if it is still not solved, just simply select the option of high performance, and this should be able to resolve your problem. So this is how you would be able to solve this particular problem. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.